All right, over here in Buffalo, South Buffalo, we got this. This is a double 2x4 up on top of here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take and support the ceiling out here, and pull out this 2x8 and the rotted 2x4, and we're gonna take and give them a double 2x8 header. We can actually triple it. This is 2x6 plate, so we can triple 2x8. That we're gonna get about sagging. Thing is, customer's going to have this aluminum siding torn off. If we want to create, we got to get a jack stud all the way down to the ground there, and we're going to make sure we got a support on that inside corner down to the floor joists. Okay, and then we're going to go down and confirm the size of the window to fit. The other ones are going to be just fine. There's 1/2 or 3/4 of an inch smaller on the height and the sides, so we should set it, and we'll end up taking and pre-flashing it, trimming it down over top of everything. I think it's going to be our best bet. So, okay. So, and then eventually, once we got this done, this one's not rotted out though, right? It's just
no, as far as I know, it wasn't.
Yeah. I mean, but that is a double 2x4. They should be on end for header. They really don't. I mean, you haven't sagged this much. The thing that we got to make sure is that that this opening isn't racked. So I'll confirm that before we leave on the measurements. Okay, and then if it is, then we definitely have something to deal with.